How to send an iPhone message as a text. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Messages and tap on it. You are now in the Messages settings page. Scroll down and toggle the iMessage option on. Then, go to Send and Receive below to view the number you can receive messages to and reply from on iMessage. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. In the Messages page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, type in the name of the person you want to send the message to. Then, go to the text bar below to type in a message and send it to them. Following these steps, you can easily send an iPhone message as a text. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.